Where are you from?
Basically, I'm from Gopalganj, which is the southern part of Bangladesh, but now I live in Dhaka at Midpur 10.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student. I have completed my SHA exam, but now I'm a student of Rahat English Camp.
How many family members do you have?
Well, there are five family members in my family, including me, my parents, my brother, me, and my grandmother.
What do you do in your free time?
Basically, I do a lot of activities in my free time. Whenever I get free, I just try to read English books. And I believe reading English books can help me to improve my English skills. And sir, I want to be a fluent speaker, so I just try on my level best. And whenever I just get time, I just try to watch English movies or watching Netflix series and a lot of activities, and really it helps me to improve my English day by day.
Do you have any best friend?
Truly speaking, sir, I don't have any best friend, and I believe my best friend is my brother. I just share each and everything with my brother. Whenever I feel sad, I just try to explain each and everything with my brother. And I also try to gossip my brother. And I just say one thing to my brother. Bangla is totally prohibited for me and my brother. We just all time try to speak English for give or for getting a good fluency in English. And I believe it really helps me to improving my English day by day.
Okay, thank you very much. So when you came here, so that time your English condition was not good. It was very bad. Right now you have improved a lot.
Yes.
So what will you say about Raha's English after joining there?
When I came here, I couldn't speak English properly. I was very afraid that time. I couldn't speak English in front of all students. But now, Alhamdulillah, I just improving my English very well, and I believe that this is the best platform to learn speaking English. And sir, all students, all as well as know you, you are a best teacher in this coaching center, and your teaching style is really awesome.
Okay, do you enjoy my class when I conduct your language session and speaking club?
Yes, sir. Truly speaking, I really love your class. When you conduct the class and students very calm and just try to speak your lesson, and your teaching style is really awesome. Whenever each and every students came here, they easily can understand your English, and your efforts really best. And we all know you are such a hardworking person. You just give your 100% for the students. You just working hard for this platform, and you are such a great teacher what I ever seen in my life.
Okay, what's your future plan actually?
So my future plan is going to abroad for my higher education. I want to
Student.
be an international student, and I just learn a lot of things, and I believe that world education are very good except our country. So I just want to go abroad for my higher education.
Thank you very much. So I'm very happy. Take your speaking test.
Yes, sir. I'm also very happy,
Thank you
sir.
very much and best of luck.
Thank you, sir.